Hi, I'm Diana and welcome to my kitchen. Today we're making Mom's Chicken Gohan. It's a chicken and rice dish that Mom used to make. So good. Anyway, you're going to need a rice cooker. First things first, you are going to wash 3 cups of rice. So when I wash rice, I like to do it 3 times. But on your last, so what you do is you wash it, dump out the water, fill it up, wash it, dump out the water, fill it up with water, rinse it, and then save your rinsing water until you have 3 cups of liquid, and you'll use that to cook your rice. To that, you're going to add a 1/2 cup of soy sauce, shoyu, sorry. I really hate these little bitty things. It puts a nice color and a good flavor to your rice. Okay. Then I've also got baby carrots, and I'm just cutting them up, and I got these really cool color ones. I've started liking, like the different colored potatoes and stuff. It puts a different spin on potato salad and roasted potatoes. I think they're kind of cool. And it's easier to make little pieces of carrots when they're little anyway. Okay, so you're going to take your carrots, dump them in the bottom. You're going to have 1 can of water chestnuts, sliced water chestnuts, put that in the bottom, and 1 can of sliced bamboo shoots. You can find those at any store. Now the most important thing is your chicken. So it's just 1 chicken breast, and all I'm going to do is cut it into bite-sized pieces. And usually what I do is I cut it horizontally, and then nice little pieces. You don't want to have big honking pieces. Just nice little chunks. Oh, I forgot the neat thing. I found this shiitake mushroom canned, so I'm going to add that since I love shiitake mushrooms. You don't have to put those in. And then the chicken, you're just going to lay it in here. Easy peasy. Okay, wash my hands. Then I'm going to put the rice on top of everything. I'm pouring my water and shoyu mixture. And pray it doesn't overflow. Important thing is, when you're cooking rice, let it set for 20 minutes before you turn it on. That'll let the rice soak up some of the liquid. So see you back in 20 minutes. Okay, it's been about 20 minutes, allowing the water and stuff to get into the rice and helping it moisturize. So we're just going to turn it on. It usually takes, 20-30 minutes. And then once it pops, which means it's ready, let it set for 10 minutes. And I'll see you after that 10 minutes. Ta-da! All right, the rice cooker clicked off about 10 minutes ago. We're letting it set for 10 minutes just to let all the flavors meld. Now we're going to put it, lovely. Now all the good stuff's on the bottom. So let us, and it's the right color. Ow. Chicken is cooked and juicy. And I'm burning my fingers. This made a lot. This is at least good for 6 people. Make a nice salad to go with it. Full meal. Want to try it?
Sure. Alright. Thanks, we got all the stuff in here. It smells really good.
Here you go.
Mmm.
You've never had chicken gohan, huh?
Mmm.
It's good.
Mm-hmm. Everything's seasoned, but the vegetables like cooked and it still has like a little bit of crunch to it. Oh, it's really nice.
Okay, you gotta try this one. I'll see you next time. Bye.